Why is he not picking my call? Hello, baby. I've been calling you. You're not picking your call. What happened?
I'm already in the compound, so you don't need to pick.
That doesn't matter. You're my baby. And I'm your love. Anytime I call you, you pick.
I'm already in the compound, so when I saw your call, I said, okay, let me go straight. That's why I come to your bedroom to come and see you. I don't want to waste your credit.
So I'm going to call you back and I want you to pick it. I'm calling you.
And you, what go take down? Dead body go surplus.
You get it?
Hello, baby. Where are you?
God have mercy.
We're inside the house. What are you
If you
doing?
don't get it, forget about it.
I'm inside the room now. Can you not see me?
You're waiting for me. You're waiting for me. I'm going to kill you. You're waiting for me.